Today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable YouTube's Incognito mode. Start by launching the YouTube app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on your profile picture or the Use section and below your profile picture, you'll see the Turn on Incognito option. Tap on it. A pop-up message will appear explaining that your activity in Incognito mode won't be saved to your YouTube account, but it may still be visible to your employer, school, or internet provider. Confirm to proceed. You're now in Incognito mode and can watch videos without them affecting your recommendations or search history. While in Incognito mode, your profile icon will change to an incognito symbol, and the text at the bottom will remind you that you're browsing in this mode. To exit Incognito mode, tap on the Incognito icon or Use section again, and select Turn off Incognito. This will return you to your regular account view.